In this video we will cover the key devices in a solar DC coupled hybrid system. This is a full run through of the components that are installed with your SunSynk installation. We have the SunSynk inverter here. The connections on the bottom go off to different devices or to the solar panels on the roof. The connections on a SunSynk inverter are all at the bottom and they go off to the panels, the grid and to the battery. On the underside of your SunSynk inverter is a Wi-Fi dongle that connects to your home network connection and provides access to the monitoring. Normally you would see a green and a red light. If we follow the battery cables down, we'll see they go to the battery. On a SunSynk battery, the lights indicate the status of the battery. Local to your inverter installation, a rotary AC isolator will be installed. This is red and yellow. A quarter turn to the left will turn the isolator off. A quarter turn to the right will turn the isolator on. The SunSynk inverter has a built-in DC isolator for the solar panels. It is a rotary switch here and can be turned off and back on with a quarter turn. This installation on our test rig includes external DC isolators. These can also be turned off and back on with a quarter turn. The battery isolator is a fused isolator. It is included on some installations depending on the batteries and the configuration of the system. So that's a run through of the main components of the installation. If you have any further queries, please take a photograph, send it through to our support team. We're more than happy to help.